How to use dual WhatsApp in iPhone. Let's get started. As if right now you are only able to log in with a single account in your WhatsApp. In order to use different accounts in your WhatsApp, you have to download another app, that is WhatsApp Business. So launch your app store, search for the app WhatsApp Business. Now you have to download this app. After completion of its download process, launch this app. Now click on agree and continue. Now click on use a different number. Select the country and then type in your phone number and continue with the process to set up your WhatsApp account. With that, you will be logged in with another WhatsApp account. Well, this way you can easily use dual WhatsApp in iPhone. At the moment, you can apply this option to use dual WhatsApp in iPhone. But if in the future WhatsApp comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. I hope you guys are clear about if you can use dual WhatsApp in iPhone or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.